When you've got a stunning piece of fish, just like this snapper, it's a good idea not to overdo it with the flavours. Just cook it in a very simplistic way. I'm going to show you a way that we cook this over and over again in my family. And the first thing you'll need is some flour. So I'm going to place a couple of tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is a premium all-purpose flour onto a plate. And I'm going to season it with some pepper and a really good pinch of salt, because this is not only going to season the fish, but it is going to help form a lovely crust on the fish. So we're just going to mix that together, and that's all you need in your flour blend. So I'm going to grab my fish, place it into the flour, just coat it all over with the flour. You don't need to dip it into egg or anything like that, because the moisture of the fish is going to allow it to stick. Shake the excess off. I'll do that to the other little piece here, and it's time to cook it. My mum always cooks her fish like this in butter. It just gives it a lovely flavour. So a big knob of butter goes into a pan. I've also added a splash of olive oil. That just ensures that butter doesn't burn. We'll just melt that away, and then in with our fish. I just love cooking fish like this, because what's going to happen is as soon as that flour starts to cook on the fish, it's going to toast, giving it a really nutty flavour. That butter is also going to give it a nutty flavour too. So I'm going to give it about a minute on each side and then allow it to rest. I'm also going to serve it with some spinach, again, very simply, into a pan. We're going to fry that off. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Fish is cooked, the spinach is wilted. That took about 10 seconds. And we're just going to place the spinach down first. That's going to be the bed for our gorgeous piece of snapper. We'll grab our fish pellet. We'll place this gorgeous fillet just on the side. I like to serve this with simple boiled potatoes, waxy potatoes, and fish loves lemon, so a good squeeze of lemon. As soon as it gets out of the pan, just so we've got that lovely zingy flavour, you can even just pop a little wedge on the side. Dinner doesn't get any simpler. These are the dishes that I crave. No bells and whistles, just good quality ingredients cooked to perfection.